Grandeur may be best known for building modular homes, but most of what we construct is actually multifamily and commercial structures, including apartment complexes, rentals, duplexes, offices, and schools. Today's technology has enabled us to build all types of sizes of structures, from a 1,600 square foot single piece ready-to-move home to a 63 module, 72,000 square foot apartment complex. Our improvements have become our advantage. Grandeur is proud of the progress we have made in the modular construction industry and continues to strive for excellence with each project we build.
Grandeur, building better.